Hello, welcome to GCP class 2. This class is about Virtual Private Cloud or VPC. Let us log into GCP console to create a VPC. I already log into my GCP console and navigate to network section. Under network section, you can find VPC. So I'm navigating to network section. So this is a network section. Under network section, you can find VPC. Now I'm going to create VPC. Whenever if you create a Google Cloud account, there exists a default VPC network. This is called default VPC network. So in real time, we should not use default network. We have to create our own network so that we can get a command over all our resources. So let us create a VPC network. I am creating a VPC network by selecting this option, create a VPC network. In this class, I will create one VPC network with two subnets. I am naming this network as a my practice VPC network. VPC network. Description is optional. If you want to provide, you can provide. I am creating a custom VPC, so I am selecting custom here. If you want automatic VPC, you can select automatic, but best practice is go for custom creation. So next is subnet. I will give subnet name as, I will create two subnets in different regions. For that, I will see region names first. For that, I will go to GCP console once again. And I will go to compute engine section. So go to console. And I will go to compute engine section so that I can find regions, proper regions in compute engine. So go to compute engine and then create instance. See, I will create one machine in South California, US East 1, US-East 1, South California. I will create one subnet, South California. And region is US. What is that region? Let me see. South US-East 1. US-East 1. US-East 1. So this is a region, and IP range I will take it as a like this 10.1.0.0/24. And remaining these two options, I will keep it as a default and then done. Next, I will add one more subnet. And I will name it as a one is US South California, and I will create one more in London. This is a London subnet, and the region is, what is the region here? London region is Europe-West 2. So go to Europe-West 2. This is the region. And I will give CIDR range as 10.172. Or else I will take 172.10.0.0/24. or else let's take 10 series on it, 10.2.0.0. So that is the range I have given, and remaining options I will keep default and done. So I have created in my VPC 2 subnets, and I am taking region, and you can take equivalent command line also. So this is a commands to execute in Cloud Shell. If you want, you can make a note of these commands. In future, you can execute these commands in Cloud Shell also. Close. So I'm just clicking here, create. I successfully created my virtual private cloud. It is prompting for creating network. So once it is created, now whenever this VPC is created, I'm going to create virtual machines in this network. Refresh it so that it will provision. So my VPC is created. So with the 2 subnets, US East 1, Europe West 2, one is South California and one is in London. Now I will go to compute engine section. I'm going to create machines. In each region, in each subnet, I will create one machine. So let us name this as a machine 1. Machine 1. And then I will select the region as US Central 1, US East 1. This is a region we have selected while creating a VPC, and then navigate down under management, security, disk and networking. Go to networking. By default, it is selected a default VPC. Select here edit option. You can select your customized VPC. It is showing still, means it is not reflected. Let us refresh. Name it as a machine 1. Then what is the region we want to select? US East 1, South California. And then we need to select our customized VPC. Select here, and then under networking and click here. See, my practice VPC. This is a customized VPC just now we created. Select this one, that is a South California. That's it. Create. If you want command, you can see command also to execute in Cloud Shell. So I don't execute in Cloud Shell, I just create. Once it is created, let us create one more machine in another subnet. So click create instance. I will name it as a machine 2. And this machine I want to dump in Europe West 2, that is London. And go to networking section, that is management, security, disk, networking. Under this, go to networking. Under networking, click here and then choose your customized VPC. This is the VPC just now we created. And that's it. This time I will execute this in command shell. So take a command line and execute as a run in Cloud Shell. So I'm creating machine by executing a command. So our Cloud Shell is provisioning. Once it is provisioned, we can execute that command. Command is Google Cloud is created automatically. You can copy and paste in a notepad so that you can use in future purpose. Just press enter. If it prompts for authorization, click authorize. That's it. Machine is going to be created. Wait for a couple of minutes. It is going to be creation. So that is status is running. That's it. So go to instances dashboard. So we can see two machines here. So two machines are running up and running, machine 1 and machine 2. How do we access these machines? Means in browser itself we can access. Go to SSH here and open in browser window. Let us wait for a couple of minutes. It will be opened or not. It is very bad. It is not opening. So what is the mistake we have done? Means ports are not opened. To access a Linux machine, port 22 should be opened. We have not opened that one. To open that port, we need to create a firewall rule. Go to VPC networking. We have created this network. Select that one. My VPC network. Here, select firewall. There exist only default firewalls. So we need to create a new firewall rule for our customized VPC. So go to firewall section and select here create firewall rule. So I'm naming it as a my firewall rule, my practice firewall rule. I will use the same name. Rather than network, I will use firewall. And logs, if you want logs, make it as a turn. Network is my customized VPC. This is my customized VPC. And here it is priority. Lower the priority, higher the acceptance. If priority is low, that rule is going to be executed first. And there is a options called ingress and egress. Ingress is nothing but inbound rule. Egress is nothing but outbound rule. So option is allow. We want to allow. Okay. If you want to specify targets, you can go with specified targets, but I will go with all instances in the network. If you want to source IP ranges, you can provide particular source IP ranges, but I will go with all source IP ranges. So what is the rule what is the port we want to create? Means TCP port number is 22. That's it. Now create. Now port is open. Now we can able to access those machines which are created just now. Refresh so that it is going to reflect here. Now go to open in browser. I think this time it is going to open because we have created a firewall rule. It is taking some time, means it is not reflected yet. Yeah, it is reflected. So we have successfully connected to machine 1. So this is a machine 1. Left side is machine 1. I will open machine 2 like that. So this is a machine 2. I'm connecting to machine 2 also. Right side, I will consider right side as a machine 2. This is a machine 2. and this is a machine 1. So both the machines are connected. Left side is machine 1, right side is machine 2. Now let us see ping command works or not. So I will take internal IP address of machine 2. So this is a machine 2, take internal IP address of machine 2. And I will execute ping command in machine 1. Ping. If ping works, they are able to communicate. In a similar way, take machine 1 internal IP address, execute in machine 2. So this is a machine 2. Ping. It means ping is not working. Why ping is not working means port is not opened. To access SSH, port 22 must be open. To work ping command, ICMP port must be opened. That port is not opened. To open that port, once again go to firewall rules. Go to VPC network. Go to firewall rules. So we have created our own firewall round. My practice firewall, select that one and go to edit. Select edit. And we have open 22 port, but ICMP port is not open. Semicolon. I will keep SC ICMP. Save. Just click save. Make sure all the fields are correct. What is the wrong we have did here? Okay. If it is not working, we can go for other protocol. Just here you select protocol, other protocol. Here you can give ICMP. That's it. And you can click save. If it get reflected successfully, our ping command is going to work. Let us open this one. See, ping is working. Now it is working. See, both the machines are communicating internally. So this is the importance of firewall rule, and this is the importance of VPC. So in this class, we have seen how to create VPC and how to create firewall rule and how to open particular ports. That's it for today's class, and we meet with another topic in a separate class. Signing off. Bye.